Hi, Eugenia here from I Promise. Summer is almost over, so what better time to make a delicious summer dish? Today I will show you how to make layered eggplant tomato bake. This dish is vibrant with colors, full of nutrients that help support vision, and easy to make. So what's not to like? Let's get started. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more recipes like this or other eye health related videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.